guarantee you are going to love that show. And you could be seeing the winner of next week's finals. It's next Tuesday. It's one night, one last epic battle for $1 million and a whole new life. Check it out.
This stage could make you or break you. Tonight, it made you.
I think you have a big career ahead of you.
You were incredible.
You are naturally funny.
It was like listening to the soundtrack of the movie.
By far, the best act of the night.
I'm actually kind of speechless right now.
Hurricane is ready for Vegas!
That was beautiful.
It was absolutely magical.
I love the music, I love the imagery, I love the uniqueness.
One act winning $1 million and a starring role at Luxor, Las Vegas.
This was in a different league to anything we've seen so far.
Those acts will be joined by one more. The winner of tonight's wild card instant save vote. That vote is now closed and the result is in. The 4 acts the judges put forward are Chioma and the Atlanta Drum Academy, Erwan Le Gaillard, Avant-Garde, and Gabrielle Enrique. You voted and the result is in. The act going into next week's finals is Avant-Garde! Congratulations, Avant-Garde! America voted you into the finals! Oh, oh my God, Howie! What do you want to say to your choice for the wild card?
You know what? I love that you are going to be part of the finals. You are exciting. You are fresh. You are exactly what AGT is all about. I want to copy you. I want to do TikToks on you. Good luck next week, Avant-Garde.
Are you guys happy?